If you're using Claude like a chatbot, you're missing out on everything that it can do. Most people ask Claude a question, get an answer, and close the tab. But the smartest founders use Claude as a business assistant, strategist, researcher, project manager, designer, and even a developer. Today, I'll walk you through 16 powerful Claude features that can generally save you hours every week. More importantly, I'll show you how business owners can actually use each one. Let's get started. Number one, memory import. Let's say you own a software company. Every time you start a new AI chat, you explain yourself, your services, target audience, tone of voice, and business goals. That gets repetitive. Memory import solves this. Once Claude understands your business context, it remembers your details within your workspace. Now every conversation starts with a context already available. Business example. Imagine asking, create a LinkedIn post for my CEO. Claude already knows your context, brand voice, industry, audience, and messaging style. No repeated instructions, less prompting, better results. 2. Model selector. Not every task requires the same level of intelligence. Claude lets you choose different model depending on what you're doing. Need quick brainstorming? Choose the faster model. Need strategic planning, coding, or deep analysis? Switch to the more advanced reasoning model. Business tip. Use the lightweight model for everyday tasks. Save the powerful model for work that directly impact revenue or more important decisions. Want to know the next feature? Third is Gmail connector. Your inbox is probably full. Client emails, invoices, partnership requests, internal discussions, marketing email. Instead of reading all those emails manually, Claude can help you memorize or summarize all of these emails. For example, summarize today's email, identify urgent client requests, and draft professional responses instead of spending an hour. You spend 5 minutes reading those summarized responses from Claude. That will help you save your time. Fourth, calendar connector. Meetings are everywhere, but are they productive? Claude can connect with your calendar to understand your schedule. For example, ask, what should I prepare for today's meeting? Or find free time for strategic planning next week. Instead of reacting to your calendar, you start managing it more effectively. 5. Artifacts. Artifacts are probably Claude's most underrated features. Normally, AI responses stand inside the chat. Artifacts create editable documents besides the conversation. That could be a business proposal, a landing page, a marketing strategy, a dashboard, even a simple web application. Business example. Imagine asking Claude to build a social media strategy report. Instead of one giant response, you get a structured document that you can continue editing without losing progress. Think of it as Google Docs powered by AI. Or you're still there, so you want to know the next one? Sixth is interactive visuals. Sometimes words aren't enough. Claude can generate visual explanations, diagrams, and interactive outputs that can simplify complex ideas. Example, need to explain your customer journey, sales funnel, business workflow. Instead of paragraph, Claude create visuals that are much easier to understand and present. Seventh, projects. If you work with multiple clients and departments, projects will quickly become your favorite feature. Each project stores conversations, files, documents, and instructions together. Example, you can have one project for marketing, one for HR, one for project development. Each remember its own context. It's like giving every department its own AI assistant. Eighth is voice mode. Great ideas don't always happen while sitting on your desk. Sometimes they happen during driving and the gym or while walking. Voice mode lets you have natural conversation with Claude. For example, instead of typing, help me prepare tomorrow's investor pitch. Just say it out loud on your phone or laptop. It's surprisingly natural. 9. Chrome extension. You're constantly reading websites, competitor pages, research articles, case studies. Instead of copying everything to Claude, use the browser extension. Example ask, summarize this web page, analyze this competitor, extract key insights. It saves countless clicks every day. 10th, co-workspace. AI becomes even more powerful when your team can collaborate. Coworks allow multiple people to work alongside each other in cloud. For example, your marketing manager can write campaign ideas, your designer reviews them, your CEO can review feedback via comments. Claude can let you collaborate everyone at the same time. 11. Schedule tasks. Founder repeats same work every week, every day. For example, weekly report, performance reviews, content planning, follow-ups. Schedule tasks that automates automatically. For example, every Monday morning, prepare weekly KPI report. Every Friday, generate next week content plan. Small automation, huge time saving. 12. Dispatch. Dispatch is all about modern workplace. Instead of manually triggering repetitive actions, Claude helps coordinate them automatically. Business example, a customer submits a request. Claude organizes the information, creates a summary, prepares documentation, and keeps work moving. Less operational overhead, more focus on growth. 13th, Claude Code. If you work with developers, this feature is the most important one. Claude Code doesn't just write code, it explains it, reviews it, finds bugs, even fix them, and finally improves performance. For example, even if you are not technical, you can paste code and ask, explain what this does in simple English. Now you understand what your developer team is writing or developing. 14th, Claude Channels. As conversation grows, things get messier. Channels solve that. It creates dedicated spaces for marketing, sales, operations, even customer support. Everyone stays organized. No more searching for previous chat histories. Second last, Claude Skills. Think of skills as specialized expertise. Instead of being good at everything, Claude becomes exceptional at specific tasks. For example, writing, research, coding, marketing, or data analysis. The more focused the skill, the better the output. 16th, Claude Design. Design isn't about making something beautiful, it's about communicating ideas. Claude Design helps you design interfaces, wireframes, layouts, presentations, and product concepts. For example, before hiring a designer, describe your app idea. Claude can help you visualize and structure, user flow, and layout. It's a great way to evaluate ideas before spending money. The biggest shift happening in AI isn't better answers, it's better workflows. The founders who win over the next few years won't necessarily work harder. They will build smarter systems. Claude is not just an AI chatbot, it's becoming a complete productivity tool or platform. So don't just ask it questions, build your workflows around it. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more practical insights in AI that will help you work smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.